spooky friends, to the Fluid Art Express Halloween special. Thank you to Venom Fluid Art and Creations by Christy for inviting me to this collaboration. Please be sure to follow our playlist or else. Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. I am so happy to be here today and thrilled to share my resin creation. It's a hauntingly detailed cranium piece filled with orange crystals and accented with some chrome pen for a touch of magic. Watch out for those painted teeth in gold and chrome with that eerie shimmer. And I perched it on top of this swirly orange and purple resin coaster, all supported by skulls. They were made from leftover resin. This piece brings Halloween to life in a new, enchanting way. So watch closely as I make this right in front of your eyes. Just like magic. Imagine that. Okay, I'm going to put this aside and I'm going to show you how gorgeous that little piece came. And this was all from my leftover resin, so check that out. And we made a little raised coaster, or something a little more special than that. So let me get my resin ready for my special piece here. Just about 8 ounces of resin here. Skulls have long been a symbol associated with Halloween, representing the thin veil between life and death. In ancient cultures, skulls were often used in rituals as a reminder of mortality, echoing the phrase memento mori, meaning remember, you must die.
This will fit into
Halloween originally rooted in the Celtic festival of Samhain, celebrated the end of the harvest and the beginning of winter, a time when it was believed the spirits of the dead returned to the mortal world. Skulls became a powerful symbol of transition. In modern celebrations, skulls continue to hold significance, particularly in the elements like sugar skulls used during the Mexican Day of the Dead. These skulls are often bright and colorful, symbolizing both remembrance and the celebration of life. Halloween and Day of the Dead share this common theme of honoring the dead and celebrating the cyclical nature of life.
Tinge of purple here and there. So I'm going to throw that in. I'm going to mix that around a little more.
Crystal skulls, often made from quartz or other minerals, are believed to amplify energy and psychic abilities. Practitioners in spiritualist communities use these skulls for meditation, scrying, a form of divination, and healing. The belief is that the skull shape, combined with the crystal's natural properties, can enhance the spiritual communication and open pathways to higher consciousness. While I'm demolding this, I'll give you a little more information. Orange is often linked to the transformative power of fire. Fire symbolizes purification, change, and spiritual enlightenment, all of which connect with the skull's role as a symbol of transformation and rebirth. By adding orange, your skull piece can embody the alchemical process of transmutation, turning one state of being into another, and embracing the journey of spiritual evolution. Orange is also connected to the sun and its life-giving energy. The sun represents knowledge, clarity, and enlightenment. Using orange in your skull artwork symbolizes the presence of spiritual light and wisdom within the cycles of life and death. Much like the sun that illuminates the path of transformation and spiritual growth. Orange is used as a protective color. It is believed to shield against negative energies and attract positive vibes. When applied to your skull piece, orange can serve as a beacon of light, but invite good fortune, protection, and blessings to your space. Orange is associated with courage and resilience. Its bold and fiery presence symbolizes the strength to face challenges and overcome fears. Oh, that's gonna look awesome with a little UV resin. Oh yeah. So we are coming to the end of our journey here, and this is the first take on my cranium skull, but of course you know me, I have to change it up a bit. And I added a little light to the back of that. I actually added it with a little of my museum wax, and it's just sitting there, and it gives a little light to the back of this beautiful piece, and it brings out all those beautiful crystals inside, as you can see here. I also painted up the teeth in gold and chrome, and I painted those blue eyes also in chrome, and his nose. I added some recollections crystals on top, and I gave his cheek one little crystal just for some added extra bling. Thank you, Darren and Christy. I appreciate that you asked me to this wonderful collaboration. As always, I am honored whenever you ask me to be part of the Express as a special guest. Coming up next is August acrylic art. Not sure how you earned a spot next to me. Be sure to click on that playlist. You're in for a treat. No tricks here. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. Till next time, have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye now.